Welcome to speedearning.com. Today we will see the benefits of trading robot model, especially in commodities. It is very beneficial in case of stock market and currency as well, but we are talking in the context of commodity market MCX trading. So we have suggested you to apply the trading robot model in morning and evening section. So in morning, you can apply the trading robot model. There are 9 commodities. You can place the buy at high and sell at low, stop loss selling at low. In all the 9 commodities, 18 orders are there, and some of the trades will get activated, and you will get a easy profit with total safety. The minimum stress will be there. But there are 2 stages in trading robot model. In the beginning, if someone is going for trading robot model, he might have the difficulty to place the 18 orders and managing the number of orders there. So we suggest you to go for a stage 1 first. In stage 1, you are selecting one commodity from one sector. So from bullion you are selecting silver or gold mini. From base metal you are selecting copper or nickel or lead mini or zinc mini, one of them. And in energy we are going for crude or NG. So you are going with the 3 metals in the beginning, whichever is showing the movement in the morning or afternoon, evening. So you are selecting the particular script which are showing good movements. So you are selecting 3 stocks and placing the 6 orders there. So that will be easy to manage in the beginning, and when you are comfortable with this 3 scripts from 3 sectors, then you can move to 9 scripts from 3 sectors. So you can place 18 orders there. Now you are comfortable to place the orders, to manage the orders, modifier, cancellation, and how to book the profit, because when trade get activated, you will have to book the profit at once, means you can't wait there. So you will have to manage it with speed, and you should not get confused. So here we are discussing that why should we use the trading robot model? What are the benefits? What are the pros and cons? So first benefit is there is no confusion of selection whenever you are going to trade in the market. So from the beginning, since the beginning, from 10 a.m. we are confused about selecting the particular script. If you are told to select one script from 9 commodities, it will be a very difficult task. So if we are placing order on all the commodities, then it will be an automatic selection. So you need not to take the confusion of selection. Now second thing, not missing any opportunity, means we are having the chances to encash 70 to 80% of total opportunities, because in trading robot model you are there with your orders from the beginning. Suppose from 11:30 you have placed the order in trading robot model and waiting till 2:30, that is the time of movement generally. And in case of evening session, you are placing order from 5:40 to 8 o'clock. So if there is any movement in any script, your trade will get activated. You are not going to miss any opportunity there. So we can say that if there are 18 doors of opportunities, so you are available on all the doors. Any means you are available on any of the doors. So you can't lose any opportunity there. You will get the benefit with maximum possibility. Then third thing is not trapped in any trade for hours. Sometimes what happens, suppose in the morning there was a sudden movement in silver and it was showing some buying signals, and you bought this silver there, Now it is not going further upside, and now it is moving in the range only. So for next 3 to 4 hours you are waiting for the movement, and it is range bound only, and after 4 hours what is happening? It is hitting the stop loss. So that is quite despairing, means it is you can't help that. It's very painful to wait for hours and then getting the loss. So in case of trading robot model, you are not into any trade till the trade get activated, and when trade is getting activated, within 5 to 10 minutes you are going to book the profit. So you are free all the time. You are not involved in the trade with some pressure for longer hours. So it's very good. If you apply the trading robot model, you will feel that how comfortable it is. Then next point is enough target from frequent small profits. So you're not waiting for huge profits in a single shot. What we are looking for, we are going for frequent profits and frequent small profits which are always there. So you are getting the profits, and in any average day you are going to take your profits, because you are not having a big expectation. Huge movements or big movements are coming 3 days in a month, 2 days in a month in any script, but average movements are always there, and you are taking a small part of it, but you are taking it frequently, and from so many scripts you are taking a small part of the profit, and that will give you the enough target which can satisfy you, which can fulfill your daily target. So the smaller profits are relatively safe, and there are very less chances of sudden reversals. Then no emotional chasing, means you are not chasing any commodity with some emotions. Actually, if sometime we are inclined to the buying or inclined to the selling, and you are seeing something which is in your presumption only, so that will make a continuity of losses, and it will be very bad experience. So that problem is rectified with this model. Next is broad observation of the market. In case of trading robot model, you are observing all the scripts at the same time simultaneously. So there is a deeper insight of the market, the broader observation in there, and you are able to trade single side after 20-30 days, because you know how does gold moves and behave, how does silver move, when it moves, how much it moves, what is the degree of movement, and what is the behavior of nickel and copper, what is the correlation of both the commodities, what is happening in the lead and zinc at the same time, and what is the story of crude and NG, and you will see the weekly cycles as well as monthly cycles. So that will be very helpful, and you are not having the fear to miss opportunity, because you are there to tap any opportunity. But you are observing without any fear, because everything is well arranged. So that will reduce your fear, that will increase your concentration, and you will have the right insight into the market. Then we can exit anytime. Actually, if you are not trapped or occupied by any trade, then you can exit anytime. Actually, many of the traders are taking the trading as side business. They may be employees, they may be businessmen from some other field, they may be some other professional. So sometime what is happening, they need to leave the screen at the moment, and if they are involved in some loss making trade, so they are unable to exit at the moment. But in case of trading robot model, you can exit at once, because still the trade didn't get activated, so you can cancel off. Just um, F3, C, F3, F3, order book, and by shift F3 you can cancel all the orders. So at the moment you have cancelled all the orders and you can leave the screen, and when you are coming back after getting free, you are in the market again, and without any losses, without any loss making memory, you can go with a fresh start, and that is very important. Then this model is scalable with bigger volumes. Once you should go with very minimum volumes and practice the model with skill, and after some time you will be very comfortable to trade, you will be very comfortable to taking decisions, you have reduced your reaction time, now you can operate easily. Then we suggest you to scale up your volume. You are going with the 2 micro lots in the beginning, then go for 5 micro lots, then go for 10 micro lots, then you can go with the 20 or 30 micro lots. There is no problem. Why we are suggesting you the micro lots? Because you can book the profit in parts, you can re-enter in the parts, and you are having the freedom to decide, and the brokerage and taxes will be the same. You just remember this, because sometimes traders are having the confusion that in case of micro lot they are paying more, and in big lot you are paying less. But in case of fixed brokerage, if you are paying the brokerage on a single trade, then there may be a difference. But if you are unable to take the risk, then I would suggest you to pay the brokerage, because it is better to pay losses. So don't pay for losses, you can pay for the brokerage in the beginning, and that's a simple minimum expense which can be recovered in future. Okay, now answer for all sudden reversals. Trading robot model is giving the answer to all sudden reversals, because sometimes it might be possible that crude was minus in the morning, and in afternoon it suddenly reversed and went 100 points upside. So we are always available for the reverse. We are there with our stop loss buying orders and stop loss selling orders. If selling is not getting activated, then buying will get activated, and we will get the profit in the opposite direction. So there are so many times sudden reversals we can see in the market. So many times there are sudden reversals, and we are always available with all our tools to encash the profit in every opportunity. So I suggest you to practice this wonderful model, and it might be boring in the beginning, it might be a little it might be needing the little more efforts in the beginning, but after some time you will see your trading has become totally safe and stress free. Now 10th point is gaining good even if you are totally wrong. Sometimes you were thinking that the silver will go downwards and the sell call will be activated. You are just guessing, but you are totally wrong, and silver reversed from there and it went up by 500 or 1000 points, and you are getting a very handsome profit there without any losses. And at that time you are very happy, even if you went wrong, means you went wrong, you were totally wrong, and you are enjoying that mistake, you are enjoying to become wrong there. So it's okay, it went opposite and you are getting the profit from there. So this model will give you the same thing. That's why we can rely lifelong on such a trading robot model. It will take some time to practice, but no model is 100% accurate. Every trading model will give you 65 to 70% efficiency, and it is giving it consistently, and for an average trader it is working very well. So we shall discuss the trading robot model in our telephonic classes. Whatever doubts you are having, we are going to discuss that. Thank you very much. Bye.